2022 Hyundai Elantra N. Starting at $30,000 est. Overview. Hyundai is expanding its N performance sub-brand with fire-breathing version of its new Elantra compact car. The 2021 Elantra N will likely share a powertrain with the spunky and powerful Veloster N hatchback, which would mean a 275 HP turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder and either a 6-speed manual transmission or an 8-speed automatic. We've grown quite fond of the Veloster N during its stay with us for a 40,000-mile long-term test, and the 2021 Elantra's upscale vibe should add another layer of desirability. When the Elantra N hits the market, which we expect to happen in late 2021 or early 2022, it will challenge the Subaru WRX, the Volkswagen Jetta GLI, and the upcoming Toyota GR Corolla. What's new for 2022? The 2022 Elantra N will be an all-new model in Hyundai's budding performance-oriented N lineup. Pricing and which one to buy. Elantra N. $30,000 est. Hyundai hasn't released any pricing information for the Elantra N, nor has it said what standard or optional features will be offered. We are anticipating a starting price around $30,000 and a host of standard performance, technology, and safety features to carry on Hyundai's value-packed business model. Engine, transmission, and performance. Although it's possible that Hyundai will offer a unique powertrain in the Elantra N, it seems more likely that the new sport compact sedan will inherit the turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder from the Veloster N hatchback. That engine makes a stout 275 HP, which would give the Elantra N a power advantage over the Jetta GLI. The Veloster N can be had with either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic, and we're hoping Hyundai will offer both in the Elantra N as well. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. It being a new model, the EPA hasn't released fuel economy estimates for the Elantra N. The Veloster N is rated at 22 mpg city and 29 mpg highway, so we expect similar results for the Elantra. When we get a chance to test the new performance sedan, we'll put it through our 200-mile highway fuel economy route and update the story with results. For more information about the Elantra N's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Our spy photos of the Elantra N haven't provided a glimpse of the interior, but the regular Elantra's dramatically restyled cabin has a decidedly cockpit-like look and feel. A sportier-looking ambience is likely, as are sport seats with aggressive bolsters, metal-accented pedals, blue-colored seat belts, and a smattering of N badges. Rear seat passenger space will be more generous here than in the Veloster N, and we expect the trunk will offer more space for cargo. When we have the chance to evaluate the Elantra N, we'll update this section with more details. Infotainment and connectivity. The Elantra's all-digital dashboard is likely to carry over to the N model, with a large 10.3-inch digital gauge display sharing real estate with a 10.3-inch infotainment display that's angled slightly toward the driver. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, in-dash navigation, and a Wi-Fi hotspot are all expected to be standard features. Safety and driver assistance features. A host of driver assistance features will likely be on the menu as standard features. For more information about the Elantra N's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features are likely to include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control with lane centering feature, warranty and maintenance coverage. Without a doubt, the Elantra N will offer Hyundai's now legendary 10-year/100,000-mile warranty. The only other brand to offer such a warranty is Kia, but Hyundai's models come with 3 years of complimentary maintenance as an added perk. Limited warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 10 years or 100,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles.